John Doe has lost all of his aura. His yourself skin, which used to be the most expensive and the most unique in the game, now it's kind of that everyone has it now. Golden skins that I don't know who actually buys it. You must be chronically online or somehow ended up spending money on Forsaken. You're such an idiot. You know, the devs added more yourself skins and suddenly my wallet floated towards the skins. And a part of my soul was thrown in as well. Now I'm in financial debt. I'm broke! As everyone knows, yourself skins, you can be basically anyone on Roblox, so you can cosplay as anyone really.
Stop jerking off to Roblox porn.
Could be just your character, which is the lamest choice, or just the powering of your imagination. Well, that comes at a cost. Your entire soul. Well, 20k, 90k, 80k, you're looking around 57k. Which is about, I honestly don't know, you could just speedrun it by being a goblin and finishing every chain, or pay up. Also, my advice is to never buy these. These are terrible offers. Grinding the game is so much better considering how expensive they are. The newly added yourself skins are only 1x and Nollie. No Jason, which they did tease about and have not released it, and Cool Kid. They already said he's not gonna get one. I don't want to imagine what having scoliosis looks like. It will probably be like the worst yourself skin, hands down. Again, same rules as before. The skin will be compared to other skins. Since you know, there are other skins, so there's competition. And it doesn't matter if the killer is good or bad, if you're like using Jason or using John Doe. I will start off with 1x, which is definitely the best yourself skin. The effects and oh my god, I feel like I'm 12 when saying this. Aura hard carried the skin. Obviously, like holy shit, the aura is actually hella good. Aside from it generally looking cool, the attacks got the same color and minions. Doesn't matter, I'm still beating. All the other yourself skins have the same chase theme, and I already said it before, and still my opinion has not changed. I think it's an alright song, just okay, not good, compared to other chase themes.
Cause my top 5 is Drake.
Also the Discord server, link in description. Alright, continue with the video. Neither does 1x have that many good skins. And no, Diva is not a good skin. The lyrics are ass, the chase theme is ass. Only because it's Miku, people be hyping up the skin. It's just ass! Sorry, got sidetracked. Voidbound, Timeless, or Darkness. Those are my recommendation. Or the best 1x skins in my opinion. God damn, I gotta say it that all the time. Next up is Nollie, and he has probably the worst yourself skin. The star looks nice, the crown looks nice, then we go to the face. It just ruins it. It ruins it, man. I would much rather just keep the mask and remove the skull entirely. It would definitely look better, but you know, it's 80k, so 2k cheaper than John Doe's yourself skin. The other skins I would definitely recommend rather than the yourself Nollie skin is Epaltis. I don't know how to say his fucking name. Umbra 305 or the best Nollie skin.
The first day of the end of your lives.
Most of the Nollie skins are surprisingly good, so you can practically choose anyone. And I wouldn't get mad. And yourself, John Doe. The OG.
I can't even do that.
I've been doing this for years, man.
It's not really worth it. It's just 20k. I already made an entire video about it, so just go and watch it. The only yourself skin that you should really buy is 1x. The rest are just not worth the price. Just buy it when you feel like you don't need any other skins. Now this is a different section for a concept. Well, it's from CORRUPTALED. And I'm gonna be honest, his concept is fire! I'm gonna add the additional concepts for John Doe and Nollie. Also go watch his original videos, show him some support so this could actually happen. Forsaken devs, listen, it may take some scripting and making sure this doesn't break the entire game like that one skin did, but listen, you can put the prices at 20k, add the customization, and people will more likely spend money, so it's a win-win for us. Alright, let's go over the concepts. For John Doe and Nollie, so for John Doe, he will have less customization since my guy doesn't have much to go with. Of course, the eye color will be there. He will have chase theme, which you can choose which chase theme from John Doe's skin roster, although you have to own them. Voice lines self-explanatory, choose voice lines, and for the style, I went for letters. Like, you can choose numbers, letters, or symbols. Although you can't choose what letter it is, just random, it's obvious why, so you can't put some combination. And one last thing, choosing your own intro. Since Gasharpoon has a custom intro, that could be yours if you own the skin. Yeah, I know, I'm cooking. And for Nollie, the rest are the same except voice lines. You can choose what voice line to use, like the Vesto, Umbra, or any other skin that has different voice lines. You can choose styles between the Vesto or the other skins that have effects around them. I'm not bothered to do my own research.
Oh wait, I can't read.
And as I said, the rest are the same. And if yourself Jason skin gets added in the future, the only customization he would really get from me is the color of the mask, machete, and chainsaw. Like, you can choose what color and combination with it, and the raging pace color, like the glowing eye and shit. He deserves it. There's more extra addings of CORRUPTALED original concept. And that's gonna be the video. This one is a filler until I figure out what main video I should finish. Like big projects and stuff, like original ideas and that. Until next time, I'm out. Alright, bro, you catch the shit.
Fleet of hostility, bro. Fleet of hostility.
Oh, double kill! Oh, I'm the fucking goat! Oh, I'm the fucking goat!
You guys are so. What happened?
Oh, I'm the fucking goat.
Because we fucking said last game. Because fucking said.
We go away.
Oh, I just got a double kill!
That's your.
Oh, I'm starting to fucking kill you!
Bro, okay.
Oh my. Alright, bro.